Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that is shaping our world more than ever. The benefits of ICT and multimedia.
As technology continues to evolve, information and communication technology and multimedia are the heart of nearly everything we do. From education to business to entertainment. These tools are revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us.
In this video, we, Alhana, Jamie,
Norma, Rudel,
Kelvin, Bernard.
we will explore the countless benefits these technologies offer and how they enhance communication, creativity, and learning in our daily lives. So sit back, relax, and let's take you through the incredible impact of ICT and multimedia. Let us start by talking about what ICT and multimedia actually are. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It's all the tools that help us communicate, share information, and work with technology like computers, the internet, phones, and software. Multimedia, on the other hand, is when we use the different types of media like text, images, videos, and audio together to share information.
One of the biggest benefits of ICT and multimedia is that they help us communicate better. Thanks to technology, we can talk to anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time. This makes it easier for people to connect and share ideas, whether it's through email, video calls, or social media.
Another benefit is education. With ICT and multimedia, learning has become one more interactive and engaging. Instead of just reading a textbook, students can watch videos, listen to podcasts, or even play education games. This makes learning fun and helps students understand difficult concepts better.
ICT and multimedia also make work more efficient.
In the past, people had to do a lot of tasks by hand,
Like writing letters or doing calculations. And now, with computers and software, tasks can be done much faster or more accurately. For businesses, this means less the time spent on work and more time to focus on growth.
Let's not forget about entertainment. ICT and multimedia have completely changed how we enjoy movies, music, games, and more. With just a smartphone or a computer, we can stream our favorite shows, play online games, and listen to music from all over the world. It's opened up a whole new world of entertainment options.
And last but not the least, ICT and multimedia are great for creativity. They allow people to express themselves in so many ways, whether it's through making videos, designing graphics, or even creating music. Technology has made it possible for anyone with an idea to share it with the world.
As you can see, ICT and multimedia are not just important. They are essential to our daily lives. They help us communicate, learn, work, and have fun, and express ourselves in ways we never thought possible. The benefits are endless, and the possibilities are even greater. Thanks for watching! We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of ICT and multimedia.